There you go, James. Whose strips are gonna win? Finish line.
Should I get into the delta area?
Sure. Yeah, because that when we cover that, it'll be fine. It'll be much darker. Yes. Go, you bad boys. So vibrant.
And then at the top we use...
we just do the left sides and then you'll do your tops after.
Okay.
Just keep going on your left sides only. Yeah. You did a right side.
Oh, it's in a crevice. It's in a crevice.
We're not doing crevices
Okay,
yet. We're doing that later.
Okay, sorry. I'm kidding. I'm going around.
You are getting...
So right.
Tops and rights now. Thin one. I should say fine. It's a fine point. He goes for it, folks. He's getting it. Very nice. Yeah, you got it. Pretty effective, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at your subject. Be sure you're getting that shape.
I've learned my lesson.
Bushman. You got it.
Nope, I got it somewhere.
Yeah, down there, yeah. Yeah, you need more of it. Bring it along.
Yep.
Bring it over all the way to here.
Yep.
Okay, now you... Yeah. Getting a little spray into the mountains, giving some life. It's almost like the mountains start moving when you do this.
Yeah, very vibrant. Dynamic.
Really close to the paper now. There. There you go. Yeah, I take it up a little higher into this part. Yep. Good. More in the mountains. Oh. Come on, Bushman. Yeah. There you go. Yes. Yes. He gets it. The splats, the rose.
Yes.
Yes. The Red Rocks. Why do they call them red? Oh, because we got rose paint all over the place.
Here we go. That's a lot of explosions.
Yeah. More on the left. There you go. There you go.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I don't know that I'm ready. What kind of signature am I gonna do? Okay, I'll just do my normal one. And then right here in the middle.
Perfect.
Nice.